This is Uzbekistan. Our first stop in Tashkent was Chorsu Bazaar, a place where you can truly feel the vibe of Uzbekistan. In here, you can buy everything from meat, exotic spices, and tea to all sorts of unusual fruits and nuts. Even old military uniforms from the Soviet era. The beautiful smell of Uzbek teas, spices, and food awakened our appetite, so we went to try one of Uzbekistan's most famous dishes, plov. We entered this plov kingdom and witnessed the art of preparing meals in traditional Uzbek ways. With our stomachs full, we set off to continue exploring the streets and architecture of Tashkent. Unfortunately, the most popular location in Tashkent, Hazrati Imam Complex, was closed due to renovation. So we continued our city exploration through beautiful green parks. It seems like every building in Tashkent is a work of art, so everything we saw was very beautiful. After a while, it was time to go to our next destination, Samarkand, Jewel of the Silk Road. This 2,700-year-old city was once a key point on the Silk Road. Today, it is the most visited city in Central Asia. With its stunning architecture featuring grand madrasas and mosques adorned with colorful tiles, this is a city that must be on your bucket list. Since temperatures during the summer can reach 40 degrees Celsius, we took an electric bus that brought us to the most popular location in Samarkand, the Registan, an absolute masterpiece of architecture and art. Our journey continued in another Silk Road city called Bukhara. Surrounded by deserts, the city has long been a center of trade, culture, and religion. Here, our Uzbekistan adventure came to an end. From Bukhara, we continued our journey to the neighboring country of Kyrgyzstan. So, if you're interested in learning more about Kyrgyzstan, check out the next video on my YouTube channel. Cheers!